Good morning. Today we are going to start the first chapter of political science, and the name of the chapter is power sharing. Students, in this chapter we will learn about why the power sharing is desirable and what are the forms of power sharing. But initially we will start the chapters with two examples with the given two examples in the book. First is about the Belgium and second is about the Sri Lanka. We see that both the countries are having the same situation, but both the countries reacted with the same situation differently, and we will learn in this chapter that how both the countries get the result of their reaction. So in the first topic is a book is you see in their book is about Belgium and Sri Lanka, in which we learn about the ethnicity of both the countries. The word ethnicity means a social division based on shared culture. People belonging to the same ethnic group believe in their common descent because of similarity of physical type or of culture or both. It means जितने भी टाइप के लोग उस देश में रहते हैं, टाइप मीन्स ऑफ religion type. Like in India, we can say the ethnicity of India consists of Hindus, Muslims, Christianity, Sikhs, and Bauth, Jain, all together. Like in this chapter, we will learn about the ethnicity of Belgium and Sri Lanka first in the first topic. So first of all, it is about Belgium. So in the first line, it is written that Belgium is a small country of Europe, smaller in area than the state of Haryana. We are just controlling it, or you can say we are just pursuing it as a state of India like Haryana. Its area is little bit, you can say little bit type of Haryana. It has border with Netherlands, France and Germany. It has a population of little over 1 crore, about half the population of Haryana. We are just simulating it with the Haryana, with Indian state. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. Like in India, the ethnic composition of India is also very complex because all the religions are living all together. So in the, you can say in the Belgium also, the ethnicity is very complex. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in Flemish region. You can see in the book also, it is given. This is the map of Belgium, and the red ones, which is in red color, it is of Walloon, that is French speaking. Second, it is of Brussels capital region and German speaking people. There are three types of people living in this country: Dutch, Flemish and German. Of the total population, 59% of the total population is Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% lives in Wallonian region and speak French, and the remaining 1% are German speaking people. In the capital city Brussels, it is totally altogether different from the whole population. In the whole population, 59% are Dutch, but in the Brussels, if we are talking about the city capital Brussels, it is 80% French speaking and 20% Dutch speaking. It is totally different from the whole population. In the whole population, 59% are Dutch, but in the capital city Brussels, it is totally altogether different, that 80% people speak French and while 20% are Dutch speaking people. The minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. We are talking about this capital only. In the capital city Brussels, the minority who are only or 20%, they are rich. And this led to the tension between the whole country, that minority and majority always think that they are in majority, so the rules and regulation of the country should be in their favor, and whereas in the minority they always think that their religion, custom, culture and language should be preserved at each and every time. So let us come to the another topic, that is, or you can say another country, that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation which is in the south of India, you all know. Sri Lanka is an island nation just a few kilometers off the southern coast of Tamil Nadu. It has about 2 crore of people, about the same as in Haryana. So you can see that we are comparing both the countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka, with Haryana only. It has about 2 crore people, about the same as in Haryana. Like other nations of the South Asian region, Sri Lanka has a diverse population. The major social groups are the Sinhala speakers. Uh, we see in the case of Belgium, the majority are 59%, that is Dutch, but in the case of Sri Lanka, we see that the majority is of Sinhala speakers, that is 74%. And the rest, you can say Tamil speakers 18%. Among Tamil, there are two differences. First is Sri Lankan Tamil and second is Indian Tamils. Tamil natives of the country are called Sri Lankan Tamils, whose forefathers, and you can say who are not coming from anywhere. They are from Sri Lanka itself. They are called Sri Lankan Tamils. And the next, whose forefathers are coming from the India as a plantation worker during colonial period and during the British period, they are called Indian Tamils. From the 18%, 13% are Sri Lankan Tamils and the 5% are the Indian Tamils, and the rest 7 to 8% which are left from the 100% are diverse religion. It means Muslim also, Christians also, and some others also. Just imagine what could happen in situation like this. In both the countries there are majority and there are minority as well, and we see that what happened in situation like this. In Belgium, the Dutch community could take advantage to its numeric majority. I am reading in next page. I am reading. Dutch community could take advantage of its numeric majority and force, and it will on the French on Germany speaking population. This would push the conflict among the communities further. This could lead to a very messy partition of the country, because at each and every time both the religions, or you can say both majority and minority, just quarreling or just killing each other, and in that manner they can do the partition of the country. But what happened in both the countries, we will further read it in the next video, and we will discuss what happened in Sri Lanka and what the solution is being adopted by the Belgium in the next page. But in this page, that is majoritarianism in Sri Lanka, we will read this topic in the next video. Thank you.